pleased to present a Q4 update highlighting a year of significant progress at the Dasa Project. The processing plant area continues to take shape, with the crusher retaining wall completed and the run-of-mine ore pad moving into its final stages. Civil works for multiple buildings also progressed, with column construction and formwork underway. These buildings form the significant portion of the processing plant. Earthworks across the site are nearing completion, preparing multiple terraces for civil works and the installation of the processing plant components. Progress also continued on the diesel generator building and diesel storage tank foundations for on-site backup power. Work continued toward finalizing the new camp, with utilities, fire water systems, septic connections, and modern facilities progressing to support a growing workforce as construction accelerates. Underground development advanced steadily this quarter, with level development and electrical work progressing to support future access and operations. As progress continues on site, engagement at the national level remains strong. During a recent visit to Niger, Global Atomic Management met with Prime Minister Zain, the Minister of Mines, Abarchi, and other ministers, reinforcing government support for the Dasa Project. President and CEO Stephen Roman was interviewed on Niger national television, highlighting the project's progress, local engagement, and long-term partnership with the government of Niger. Looking ahead to the next quarter, the focus is on the installation of the processing plant components, commissioning of the new 260-person camp, and advancement of the underground infrastructure in development.